Okay, so this video is to teach you how to connect to water and electricity when you get to a campground. As you see, here are the two connections, and they are labeled. One is it says tank fill, and the other one is city fill. The difference between the two of them is the van contains inside a freshwater tank. If you need to fill up that water tank, which is fresh water, you're gonna connect the water here just to fill up the tank. Now, when you get to a campground that they have water connection, you're gonna connect the water to the city fill inlet. And the reason is this is gonna bypass the water pump and it's gonna go straight to the toilet, to the sink, to the shower. The one on top is only to fill up the water tank inside the van, and this one is to use straight from the city, the water to the toilet and the shower. Next to that, there is the electricity that you use on the campgrounds. Most campgrounds, they have 30 amps. I'm gonna show you how to connect the van to the electricity on the campground. So as soon as you get to the campground, what you do is, this is the cable that is gonna be provided to you. This cable connects to the van. The order to do this is always connect the van first and then the power supply on the campground. The van is connected on this position. You align the little legs on the cable. You make like a little turn to the right and tie to make it secure. It doesn't have to be too tight. If you feel that is too difficult, it's because you're doing something wrong. Then you get the cable and you come to the campground power source. Let's assume this is the campground power source. Usually campgrounds, they have 30 amps, okay? If by any chance the 30 amp power source on the campground is not working, and you have 50 amp, I'm gonna provide the adapter for that. Or for example, if you go to a family house and they don't have 30 amp, they have 110 like the one I have here, then you're gonna use this adapter. This adapter goes to the surge protector and straight to the power source. It's very important always to use this protector. This will protect the van for any issue with the electricity. Remember, the order is connect the van first, then the power source. When you're ready to leave, what you're gonna do is disconnect the power source and then the van. My recommendation is always to walk around the RV before you leave to make sure that you don't have any cable connected or any hose still connected and you drive with them. Let me show you here on the back really quick related to the water. On the back of the van, you're gonna find the hose, which is a freshwater hose. Is with fresh water, clean water, not to use for something else, and the filter. Okay, so let's assume you get to the campground. The first thing you're gonna do is you come to the water source in the campground, which is the city water. You're gonna connect the filter, then you're gonna connect the water hose, and this 90-degree end is gonna go to the van, to either the city water or the tank fill. I hope this helped. If you have any question, you can always reach me on my phone.